If you could place any object on the surface of Mars purely to confuse NASA scientists, what would it be? Taking notes. $200, $000, a parachute, and the body of D.B. Cooper. A NASA spacecraft, one that NASA has no record of, like something they've never built. But that has NASA logos all over it and clearly has a NASA origin, just not our NASA. A big map of Earth with several points of interest marked on it. I'm a geologist, and I can confirm that just placing the wrong type of rock would fuck up science for like 30 years. I often pick up rocks that I know only occur in specific areas and leave them somewhere that would be naturally impossible in the hope that it will break a geochemist's mind when they find it. That S design we all drew in middle school. Liquid water in a mason jar. Scientists have found evidence of a 2012 barn wedding on Mars. A white plastic lawn chair. With a slight chip in one of the legs so they'd be scared to sit down. A page from a Martian newspaper, pondering the possibility that there might be life on Earth. A monolith with a QR code to scan and rickroll. Well played. Now we just need to wait for NASA to send a rover with speakers and watch them blast Rick Astley on the red planet. The missing pieces of the Rosetta Stone. Statue of Liberty half buried in the ground. An exact copy of the Mars rover, or whatever they used to discover it. A picnic basket, blanket, food laid out with a note. Honey, I forgot the potato salad. I'll be back in 20 minutes. And for good measure, a 1953 Buick. To complete the scene, footprints that walk away and just disappear about 50 yards away. A fully crewed, by preserved corpses, skeletons of course, Viking longship. Matt Damon. An Egyptian obelisk, inscribed with mathematics relating to something like a spatial fold engine or warp drive. Wacky inflatable tube man on the highest peak. Hi, I'm Al Harrington from Al Harrington's Wacky Waving Inflatable Flailing Arm Tube Man Incorporation here to let you know we have an overstock of wacky waving inflatable flailing arm tube mans and need to clear them out now and passing the savings on to you. The fossilized remains of non-human biped with a sign that says no more nuclear testing. A partially vaporized radioactive manhole cover. ETA. Thanks, kind internet strangers, for the awards. Monoliths describing how Karen is actually a big interspace gate or something. Then watch happily as the globe panics, then sets up expeditions for Karen, only to find nothing there. A pyramid combining all the different appearances of the different pyramids on Earth. Weird rock formations of molecules that are inherent to life. They'd work for years getting into the nitty-gritty of the calcium deposits which weirdly resemble coral on a seabed. After confirming with xenobiologists that this was indeed the truth, topologists would begin to map out truly the extent of these ancient coral reefs. There would be a meeting that is conducted, and a 3D model pulled up showing the overall terrain. Some junior topologist, excited to present his first findings, would zoom out to show a crowd of people the words, spelled out in coral, D's nuts. A SING saying, "Congratulations humans of trial E34786/B0A. You have reached the end of the simulation. Every SING of your civilization will be erased and your planet will be resetted. Every trace of your existence will be removed on an atomic level. Afterwards, the next batch of humans will start with a new scenario. Thank you for participating." Or just to have some fun, no Easter eggs up here, go away. But like in hieroglyphs or something. Life-sized model of the Millennium Falcon.